Good morning, guys. This is Miss Fountain, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive um, to store your information for the school year. So, to get to Google Drive, we are going to open up the internet, and once we're there, we will scroll over to the right and you'll see your Google icon, and then you'll see what looks like a waffle. It's not really called a waffle, it is called the Google Apps Launcher. And one of the great things about Google Drive is it's kind of like a folder. So I like to think of folders need titles, and then inside the folder, you have lots of different items that you can store, whether it's a video or a drawing or something that you have written. And the nice thing about Google Drive is it has unlimited storage. So to get to Google Drive, you're going to click on the waffle or the app launcher. And you will scroll down and you'll see all the different Google apps for education, and you will click on the one that says Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, there are a couple of menu items that will help you work efficiently. The first thing I like to do at the beginning of any year is to make some folders that have the names of my classes. So to make a new folder to put your items in, you're going to click on New. And once you click on New, one of the first things that pops up is to add a folder, and you will click Add Folder. And once you add the folder, you need to give it a name. So I like to name it the class that is where I'm going to put the work. So I'm going to call it Math 2020. And you will hit Create. Once you have created your folder, you can drag items into it, okay, by selecting them. You can also right-click on it and put Move to Math 2020 folder. I like to color code my folders. So to do that, you right-click on it, and the internet's a little bit slow today. Sorry, guys. And you can change the color, you can rename it. And one of the other nice features is that I can share it with someone. So if I'm working on a math project and I want to have all the items in a folder so that we can all see where we are, you can share the folder with a classmate, or you can share it with your teacher so that they can see the items that you're working on. So those are just some helpful tools. And when you're sharing it with someone, your folder will look a little bit different. It will have a little person next to it, so you know that that folder is being shared with someone. Another tool that will save you some time is the Recent button, and that's the one that has the little clock next to it. When you click on Recent, it's going to bring up the things that you have worked on, obviously the most recently, things from today or early yesterday. So when I click on it, it will bring up the things that I have recently been looking on. So that's going to save you some time. Now, let's say you're kind of in a jam and you're like, oh my gosh, I know I need to read the syllabus, but I can't remember where I put it in my Google Drive. You can go up to the very top and you can search for it a couple of different ways. So you could search for it by who sent it to you. Like, let's say Miss Gregory sent it to you. You can click on here and you can click specific person and type the name of the person. Maybe you know it was sent to you on Monday, so you could click here and you could select a date. Or if you know, oh, I know it had the word title. I think it was called Math Syllabus. So I'm going to type in the word syllabus and search for it, and it's going to search everything in your Google Drive for anything that has the title of syllabus. All right, so those are some quick tips on how to use Google Drive, how to organize them with folders, how to color code and share them, how to search for recent items, and how to search for things by specific names. I hope those tools will help you out this year. Don't forget, if you need help, just let your teacher know. Thanks so much.